7.3 hectares with a clean title with flowing water at 200 pesos per square meter, located in Barangay Bungdo, Gua, Borbon, Cebu. It's a northern part of Cebu province. So this is the property, guys. Actually, guys, rolling terrain, flat and rolling terrain. So very nice property. So good for farming. So the property has kamote or and vegetables. So planted by kamote and vegetables. Then the situation of the property, guys, is an income generating property. Because of the flowing water, they converted into a supply of 135 household in the barangay of Bungdo, Gua. So 135 household ang sinusuplayan ng tubig ng property na ito. So meaning the property has the flowing water then converted into a supply water to the households. Ginamitan nila ng generator para ibuga to the higher portion or to the barangays, to the households. So this is the flowing water. Kung magpunta ka rito, guys, libre talaga. Yung mga tao dito, no, libre maglaba, libre maligo. Wala talagang problema. O, kasi tingnan mo, nandyan lang, nakaano na yan. So, meaning kung bibilhin natin to, maklose talaga yan. At sayo na lahat. So, yan ang maganda. So, see. At saka may ano, yun po yung parang pundo, pinupunduhan ng tubig, nilagyan ng may kuryente na padala ng tubig sa mga barangays. At yung isa ay naka-generator. May iba rin na mapuntahan. Kasi dalawang flowing water yan. Yan isa, yun, yung babae na yan. At saka yung kanina. At saka marami pa dyan pag gusto mong i-develop talaga yan. So, actually, guys, the owner is selling the property because hindi niya ma-manage kasi nandun siya sa ibang bayan, nasa malayo, somewhere in Zamboanga City. So yan po. So maganda dito kasi ang sitwasyon dito, guys, dito sa flowing water, nasa ibaba talaga ito, nasa bottom tayo. Pag doon sa kalsada, nasa itaas, which is around 250 meters away from the road. From the tip of the road is already the property. Yun po. So, maraming magagawa kayo dito, guys, kung tutuusin. Dahil libre ang tubig, or you can convert this into a mountain resort development, or cattle farming, whatever, basta. At may, kasi medyo mataas yun talaga, galing sa taas, Pero sabi ng caretaker, dito tayo dadaan, hindi masyadong mataas yung lalakaran natin. Siya si caretaker yan. So, nag-guide siya kung saan kami dadaan. Kasi yung pagpunta namin sa ibaba, nahirapan kami. Kasi doon kami dumaan sa medyo bangin. So, ito po yun. So, lumalakad na kami papuntang itaas, guys. Kung i-develop natin to, guys, yung sasakyan makaabot dito. Pwede, kasi i-ano lang, i-script lang yan. Basta maganda ang sitwasyon ng property natin for sale. So, the price is 200 pesos per square meter. Negotiable. Pwede pa ma-negotiate. Approximately 2 hours drive from Cebu City. So, the place is 2 hours drive from Cebu City. Maraming puno. See? Kahit medyo sa itaas, may mga portion pa rin na flat. Flat terrain. So, maganda. Kasama natin yung prospective buyer natin, guys. Pinakita ko sa kanila yung property. Pero hindi to na hindi to nagustuhan dahil gusto ni foreigner yung di masyado kalaki. Parang out of budget siya dito. Gusto niya mga around 3 million lang. At ito ay sobra na. So, hindi naman na hindi kayang-kaya niyan, pero ay para lang talaga sa mga around na ganyan. So, very nice, no? The property is really nice. Maraming mga kahoy or puno ng kahoy or parang woodlands. Woodlands. See? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So again, the property we are selling is 7.3 hectares, clean title, located in Barangay Bungdo, Gua, Bourbon, Cebu, a northern part of Cebu province. Then it has a flowing water that converted into a supply as water source of the neighborhood, which is the barangay. It has 135 households supplied by this water. So imagine, there's so many, no? But we don't know how much they pay, but that is according to the owner, to the caretaker. So this is the road. So our car can still get inside. Thank you.